In this video, I'll be showing you an overview of the to-do list. From the Clemelopy Workspace homepage, navigate to your to-do list by clicking the To-Do item in the left sidebar navigation. If this is your first time visiting the to-do list, you'll be greeted with a tour. You can select Skip Tour or take the tour. If you skip the tour, your browser will notify you that you can restart the tour at any time by selecting the tour icon over in the upper right. The first time you visit the to-do list, you'll notice a personal tasks folder as well as a personal task. You can delete these items at any time. This is just sample data information. Any folder you create will have a folder icon. You can update the color by selecting the pencil and square icon in the right side of the folder. Change the color and click Save Changes. To create a new task, you have several ways of doing this. You can go to the New button, New Task. You can select the plus button right here, or you can click Add Task at the bottom. When you add a task, a new window will open up that asks you to enter your task information. When selecting New Task from a folder, your folder will automatically populate with the folder that you've created the Add Task in. You can also select low, medium, or high priority, a due date, a due time, and a reminder. For this example, we'll be putting in test. We'll leave it in the personal tasks folder. I'll leave it on medium priority. Select a due date of tomorrow. We'll select a due time of, say, noon. And we'll set a reminder for 15 minutes before. Then select Create Task. And you've created your first task. You can reorder tasks by selecting this icon here and dragging and dropping. You can also download ICS, Google Calendar, and Outlook files to add to your calendar. You have additional edit options with the 3 dots on the right. You can move tasks to different folders, duplicate, and delete tasks. To create a new folder, select New, Folder. Give it a name, assign it a color, and hit Create Folder. To create a folder based on a project that you've already ran, go to your My Projects folder, select View on the project that you'd like to add to the to-do list, and scroll down to the Action Items tab. Click Add All to To-Do. Then select View To-Dos. It will take you back to the To-Do area, and you'll now see that you have a folder based on the project. You'll see a link icon here indicating that this came from a project that you've ran versus being a folder that you created within the to-do list. Folders that come from a project have a symbol with a square and an arrow. If you select that square and arrow, it will open your project back in the individual project viewing system. Back on the to-do list, you'll notice that you have your total number of to-dos, how many are active, and how many have been checked off. You can also sort by all, active, and completed tasks. To complete a task, simply check the checkbox. Each folder has a progress bar that shows you the progress of completing all the tasks under that folder. You can then sort by active and see only active tasks. Sort by completed, and you'll see only completed tasks. You can also set your preferences using this icon here to default sort to date created, due date, priority, or alphabetical, or you can set your default filter to all, active, or completed. You can also create and delete folders here. You can also bulk select and complete or delete items on your to-do list. To do this, click Select, and then select the items that you want to edit. You can edit by either completing or deleting. To delete a folder, simply select the Delete Folder icon. Anything you delete in to-dos or projects will be recoverable for up to 14 days. After that, they will be permanently deleted. To recover your deleted items within that 14-day window, navigate to Settings, then scroll down, and you'll see Deleted Items. Click the drop-down, and you'll notice that they can be sorted by to-dos, folders, and projects. I'll select Folders and recover that folder. And now if we go back to our to-dos, you'll notice that folder is back. You can also reorganize your folders by selecting the up and down arrows to move them around. Your interface will automatically remember which order you put these in. You'll also notice on your Clemelopy Workspace homepage that your most recent tasks are listed under Your Tasks. Click View All Tasks, and it'll take you to your to-do list. In the left side navigation bar, you'll notice a notification section. This is where you'll get your notifications once your reminders are set. To see what that looks like, we can change the due time and due date. I'll change it to today's date, and let's say 4 p.m., and click Save. You'll now see that this is an overdue task, and your notification will show up here in the notifications section of your sidebar. And that is an overview of the to-do section.